People, they say women can't lead the country. Men are only people who can lead the country, especially in Africa. What they are doing, men, because ministers are men, the president is the man, but they can't develop the country, especially in other countries. There is no medicines in hospitals. They are stealing money from the country. They have to try to put a female. We want to see the development because women, we are people who have got order. Even in the house, when there is no woman, there is no order in the house. That's why you see many countries in Africa are very poor. Men, guys, they don't have or to feel pity for people who have got jobless. But when they put a female person to be a president, you can see the change of the country. Or the ministers are females. We sit down as women and we plan. You will see, guys, men, they can't develop the country. Men, they can steal a lot of money for government. They don't have a fear to steal a lot of money and to marry many wives because they've got money. You know that men, I don't understand. You can steal the money of the government and marry 2 wives or 4 wives. He started feeding his wives, but he forgot that he have to feed people in the country. They have to change because the women, guys, we have got order. Even in the house, men, they can't stay alone or to be single for a long time. You can see that this is a single man who built this house. This house is in order with a single man. It's not like that. It can't happen. Men, they can't live alone because they want a helper. But when we say women, we have to help men in ministers or to be ministers, women to change us, to say the president is the female, the ministers are females, all of them. Men, they have to work on mining or what to work or those works. You understand? Women, we have to lead. We want to see the change of the government. When they change to put a female person, a female ministers, you will see the government can be changed. Guys, a man doesn't have a fear to steal 1 billion, but women, we have got a fear. Even to steal 100,000 US dollars is too much. They have to change agenda. We want to see when they change agenda, where are we going as Africans? You understand it? Because when they put all of male, guys, men, they can steal. Men, they can steal money. We don't want, if we still being led by male people, men, they don't have a fear, guys. They can, and they don't have order, guys. In other countries, there is no roads, no medicines in hospital, but they have got money in their houses. But when they put females, we can feel pity for kids who are in hospitals dying because there is no medicines. We can be in order. You understand? Put the country in order. But they don't want to put a female person. They say the man is the head of the house. What they are doing now when they are the head of the house, they can't put a country in order.